So now that I've found a topic that interests me, that is how mushrooms might help climate change, I'm going to scan the article to look for some ideas about how that I could further research. So in the beginning, there's some general background information about mushrooms that's pretty interesting. And then it takes a more personal or local approach. Here, they're talking about someone from Wellfleet who's from the Mycological Society on the Cape. And that seems like good, interesting information, but it isn't getting to the idea of climate change, which is what I was interested in. But now I see a heading that talks about that subterranean climate warriors. And so I have no idea at this point how mushrooms might fight climate change. So this first paragraph here gives me some ideas that it talks about the climate changing carbon in the ground. So how it helps, how the mushrooms help forests store carbon in the ground. So carbon storage is one area that I might want to research. Carbon storage might be an area that I could research. And so I am going to look here at more that they talk about. This, they're talking about how the air gets regulated using just a tiny pinch of the soil. And so that seems to sort of be on the same bent that I talked about before. And then also it seems that they produce enzymes. So I'm going to just sort of look through this a little bit more. And this has given me a lot of information about that I think that I can go ahead and do some more research about. So I have found an article now that's going to serve as my inspiration. It's not the formal research, but it's given me some ideas um, on researching the topic. So I'm going to move now from my general interest article into finding some articles in the scholarly databases about my topic.